sa Kongreso ang squad para sa mga Ilocano, Ilocos Norte, sa brand Hall of Famer. Ano sa kredited na si Aimee naging governor. Sa Ilocos natin 20 plus ng mabigas. About security ay wagas. Sa windmill sustainable. Parada at kaputura mo sa San Jose. Pasapit tayo dyan. Ilocos Norte ay TSL capital. Sa
dahil umulan kanina. So nice. Asan yung mga in love dyan? Meron ba? Yung mga broken hearted. Ang dami mo. It's been... Gawin natin Ilocos. Okay lang? One more time. It's been...
Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Ang sarap. One more time, come on. It's been raining in Ilocos.
Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Malamig na ba? It's been raining in Ilocos. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Are you ready? Come on, here we go. And if it's raining in Ilocos, hindi kita maninig. Here we go. sulok ng mundo? Saan ang sulok ng mundo? Thank you very much.
Ayan. Sino yung mga single dyan? Single po. Sino yung single? Sino? Amay. Mga single? Single. Nasaan ka ba yung mga single? Ang dami, oh. Pakisari po doon, ang dami nila, oh. Mabuhay na yung mga single! Sino mga single? All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. Now put your hands up in the club, just for fun, doing my own little thing. I got lost in my lips, I'm mad in my hands, getting better in my dreams. You can like it, then I should've put a ring. You can like it, then I should've put a ring. Don't you dare to see that ring. You can like it, then I should've put a ring. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. I know what you want. If you don't, you'll be alone. Everybody clap your hands, yeah. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Who you think it is? Look at what you did to me. Said you should still even into body dress. You ain't there, ain't nobody else in your class. So why did you know what I'm gonna do? I think it's what you
Sit down. I don't have we take the photos. I think she just keep your eyes on me. Said, oh, she said, it's the woman. Don't you care? Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold me. Sa likod, everybody, come on. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, this woman is my destiny. He said, something she yeah,
Tuwing marikit o napagkasakit, naghirit ng pa.
oh, sabay-sabay tayo nag-yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, 1, 2, 3, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, sabay-sabay na to. Please welcome Kelvin Miranda.
Yun oh! Ano daw
po ba kayo? Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan. Ito ang susunod ko pang kata. Para sa inyo pa rin to. You know the song, you gotta sing with me, huh? Music, please.
At sinabi mo
atin lahat naragsak na palagkasangay. Happy birthday! Agyaman na sa aglaplapunusan nga suportayo ken ayat para ti pamilyami. Thank you so much.
ay sadyang nag-ibig.
Ni Apo Presidente de República de Filipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Please welcome Mr. Martin Rivera and Ms. Pops Fernandez.
Mr. President, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy Marcus Day, everyone!
Come on, let's get this party started!
Hello!
Work! Lisa! Come on, put your hands together, come on!
To the beat now, come on!
Here we go! Oh, we have dancers! To the street, where all of the action is right there at your feet.
I know a place where we can dance the whole night away underneath the electric
Come on.
stars.
Come on now! Everybody!
This ain't no time to be still. Ooh, there's too much going on. Tonight is gonna be a night like hell. We're gonna have a good time the whole night long.
Concert day. Are you guys ready to dance with me? Hindi ko po kayo marinig. Ready na ba kayo mag-party?
Shut it out, but I hear what you say. Talking loud, not if you say it's a right. I'm just come on. But now I was like a laser light burning down me. You make me feel good, you make me feel safe, you make me feel like you are my telecast. Like a smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing and I'm running 'cause I'm taking you there. Don't you know you spin me out of control? My world into the sunlight. One, two, three, go! Shot, 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 shot,
She's burning like trees. Feeling like trees.
That's my face.
Something kept waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time you'll be loved. Give yourselves a round of applause. Wow! Where's my former first lady?
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the first family.
Right there, your first family. How about this song?
Request
Who chose the
for
music? I
request.
want to know. I wasn't around when they chose the song. Bakit mo ka? Bakit mo ka? Kailan ang aking puso? Mayroon na naman.
Sana nalaman ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Di bakit naman ka dumating sa buhay ko. Pinubog sa puso. At hindi ka nila. Bakit naman dumating sa buhay ko?
One more time, come on. I cannot leave tonight without singing the Be My First Lady. So this is for you. Listen carefully. Be my first lady. Come to me and take my hand and be my first lady. Truly, I must let you know our president loves you. All he wants. Just forget the past, it's time to mend. The walls divide us now so dry. The big one. Let that sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me, stay with me. Just you, just like our love lies. Starting to realize that my days, everyone on top, simply melt away. If I had you here with me and promise me you'd stay, everyone. But will you say that you love me? Show me that you care.
I'm the door. I am not a toy. Shoot your rocket out of space. Rise me to the void. Been
fall. I swear it's the truth, and we owe it all to you.
The time of my life.
And we owe it all to you. Come on! 107! What? Come on!
Once again, let's welcome back on stage.
All right. They never ask for more. This is a dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Oh.
Special para ang gabi. Narito ang powerhouse diva na kilala sa kanyang mamadamdaming awitin at kamangha-manghang mga pagtatanghal. Please welcome on stage, Miss Angeline Quinto!
Kamusta kayo? I never dreamed as always that dreaming was for kids. Dreams that cherish them. I never knew what love was till I met you. Every day I love you more each day. Thank you, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kanina pa ba kayo? Gutom na ba kayo? Lilipas din yan. Pero alam nyo, masayang-masaya po ako na makakanta para sa inyong lahat ngayong gabi. And of course, thank you very much at maraming salamat po. Mr. President, thank you very much for having me at sa buong family po nila. Palakpakan natin sila mga kaibigan. Thank you very much po. Songs para sa inyo ngayong gabi. Alam ko naman kung bakit kayo nandito ngayon. Hindi naman dahil sa mga awitin ko. Para mapatunayan na talagang sexy ako sa personal. Kaya ang pakiusap ko sa inyo, kung meron kayong i-hashtag ngayong gabi, ang i-hashtag nyo, shit, ang ganda ni Angeline sa personal. Huwag niyo kalilimutan yan mamayang gabi ha. Lahat ng magtatag sa akin sa Instagram, ire-repost ko yan na may kasamang heart. Anong hashtag natin? Hashtag shit! Lagyan mo na sa personal, shit ka naman eh. Sabi mo kasi, ang ganda lang ni Angeline. Lagyan mo ng personal. Parang... Anyway, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Yung mga nasa taas! Okay. Hindi nyo na maitatanong, naging theme song din ito ng Buhay Pag-ibig ko dati. Pero matagal na yun. Matagal na yun. Kaya para po sa mga kababaihan na nandito ngayon, I'm sure ito po yung magiging kanta ninyo sa babaeng umaagaw sa lalaking na. May gusto ka sa aking mahal.
Alam kong kaya mong maibigin siya, sa'kin maanong siya. So ngayon naman, para sa mga nahihirapan ang puso. Pero alam niyo, sa totoo lang, ganun talaga, no, pag meron tayong karelasyon. Kahit pa gaano natin kamahal ang isa't isa, dumarating yung punto na nasasabi natin, mahirap pala talaga. So para po sa inyo ang awiting ito, para sa mga nahihirapan ng puso ngayong gabi, ikakanta natin yan. Naglalagay ng oil sa aking mukha para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Ngayon naman, itong awitin na to, para sa mga taong mahal pa ang mga ex nila. Sino dito ang hoping pa rin? Mahal niyo pa ex niyo? Ang tanong, mahal pa kayo? Happy siya. Happy siya. Para sa itong kantang to, kung mahal na mahal mo pa ang ex mo, sana sabihan niyo ako sa kantang to. Thank you so much for everybody. Thank you very much and we love you guys. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much everybody. Maraming salamat po. Good night guys. Thank you po. Gusto niyo pa ba? Hindi naman ako aalis dito na hindi tayo nagsasayawan. Kanina pa kayo naghantay, di ba? O hanggang bukas tayo dito. Music, please! Muli, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan natin mga kaibigan, Mr. President, at sa buong family na maraming salamat for having us tonight. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po. Awit sa'yo, awit sa akin, di lang sawana sa aking magkwento marathon. Hinahanap-hanap kita, naliluluhan mo ang puso ko na umiiling ang tunay. Kamukha mo Maraming salamat everybody. Kunin mo na lang yung cellphone mo dito.
Airdrop, bebe.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you, Miss Angeline Quinto. From one soulful music to another smooth performance, we've got the incredible voice of Daryl Ong ready to serenade you. Ong.
Magandang gabi, Lord! Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap ng puso, ang siyang nagbibigay. K-drama, ayan, sa mga